Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by my easy cooking channel. I'm going to make a pizza in my toaster oven today, and the thing that's going to be different about this pizza is I bought a gluten-free crust. Now, I don't follow a gluten-free diet myself, but I have family members who do, and they have health issues if they eat it. So the thing that bothers me about this gluten-free stuff is the cost. You know, I seriously doubt that it costs more to make something with corn or rice than it does with wheat. Yet they charge you twice as much or sometimes even more than that. So let's get started here. This is the pizza crust that I bought. It's a Mama Mary's, and I bought these before and I like them. The only thing, this is the first time I've seen the gluten-free ones, but this costs $4.59 for one crust. If you buy the regular ones, you get two for that price. Turkey pepperoni, that says gluten-free. The cheese says gluten-free. I don't think there's any gluten in salami. I'm pretty sure, I'm not positive. And I couldn't see where this pizza sauce contained any wheat or anything either, so pretty sure that's gluten-free as well. So let's put this together. The cool thing about my toaster oven is the back of it is round. This is the oven rack. So a 12-inch pizza crust like this will fit perfectly in it. I cut my salami into pieces. I just like it in smaller pieces better. Now we'll put on some turkey pepperoni. And I use the light salami. I like it better because it's not as fat. And this is the turkey pepperoni. Package says set the oven to 425 degrees and should take about 9 or 10 minutes. But the cool thing about this is I can see it right through the glass, so I can just keep an eye on it. In the regular oven you can't do that. This is so much easier. While this is cooking, I forgot to mention I bought this at Lucky's if anyone is interested. Looks like they have a Facebook, even a YouTube channel. Might have to check that out. It's been about 10 minutes. Let's see how we look here. Getting nice and golden brown on top. I think that's done. Let's pull that out of there. Let this cool off a little bit, and I cut it up, and I had a half an avocado sitting there, so I put that on there. I've never put avocado on pizza before, but around here they seem to put avocado on everything, and then they call it California style. So I guess this is a California style gluten-free crust pizza, huh? All right, let's see if this crust is any good. Tastes pretty good to me. Doesn't really taste that much different than regular pizza crust. Just costs twice as much. All right, thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you next time.